Alright, here we have some information on a couple of trains for all you train lovers and stuff. Look at this. This is Soul Line Gas Electric from 1925. Look at that. Beautiful train. Always nice to look at trains. Here it shows you all of it. That was the real train. There's a view of the back. Look at that. Right there you have the view. Beautiful. Now, for those of you who want to read a little bit about it, here you go. They were built in June of 1925. 600-volt electric steam. Wow. Had took 2 engines for that. 105 horsepower engines. 440 gallons. Oh my God. That's a lot to lug in itself. It's like 2 oil tanks. Look at the weight itself. Never mind putting people on it. 79,900 pounds. And here's a little information about the picture that you see right there. Neat. That was the Soul Line. Now let me show you another one. Ta-da! Here we go. North Pacific Lines. Look at that. 4102. Wow. Alright, let's start with the picture here. Neat. There's some information right there. 1939. Isn't that neat? It's a General Motors. Here's your front view. On this side, the back view. Oh, this is the front view too. I don't know. Maybe they're both the same, huh? Oh, this is the back view. It's got the door in the back. Alright. Move this up so you can see the rest that's here. Alright. Gotta make sure you get to see and read everything. Hear the birds? I don't know if you can hear that. Birds are waking up. They're talking to each other. Alright, and here we have right here, full size. That's giving you an upward view. Alright, and then here you have side view. Oh, that's a crow too. It's joining in the conversation. Alright. Now how's that for a little bit about trains, huh? We got some more to show you, so stay tuned. Be sure to sub me and share this with others. All you train lovers out there, especially those with all the model trains. Ah, here's a little bit of history right here on some of them. Alright, bye-bye now.